Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoy whatever time we're spending together. I am in too freaking good of a mood to threaten you today because it looks like it's gonna thunderstorm. I have pretty makeup. I have good ass hair. I'm in too good of a mood. And I'm gonna make myself lunch. Too good. But today we're gonna go through all of my favorite palettes, but more specifically my favorite shades, my favorite eyeshadows from my most favorite palettes in my collection. I think I have like 10 or 11 here, probably 11 because I know me. But we're gonna like swatch what my favorite shade is. I'm gonna have a full arm here just of like a bunch of stuff. I'm not gonna like go over there and like swatch them. We're just gonna do it here and see how crappily Nikki can hold her arm up for you. So if you want to see what my favorite palettes are along with my favorite shades out of them, then let's go do this thing. I think it is about to storm, so I don't know how well the lighting is going to be, and especially for a video of this sort where we're gonna be swatching, but we're just gonna have to deal. Like I said, I'm too mermaidy. I'm in too good of a mood for us to not do something well. So like I said, we have, if you saw in the freaking thumbnail, I have a good amount here. There's no specific order. It's gonna be really all over the place, and we'll see what like color story ends up being created at the end of this. I did see Sasha's makeup room do a video like this, so I will have that linked down below. I will pin it in the comments, so just huge shout out to her. I really enjoyed that video. I think it was super cool, and I loved all the oh my god, all the shades she picked in the palettes and just all that goodness, you know, a bunch of good choices. We have a pretty similar taste in makeup. But yeah, I have a bunch here. So we're going to start with the Tropical palette from not Belle Bar. I do this every time with Beauty Bay. And like I said, I'm not ranking any of these. We're not ranking shadows. We're not ranking palettes. We're just having a little bit of makeup time. I really like this one. She's a little bit battered and bruised, so just bear with her here. She's a little bit messy, and a little bit messy. It's kind of an understatement. But yeah, this is the inside of this one. This palette is like one of my most tried and true. I love her. She's my go-to a lot of the time. Pink was always like my most favorite like eyeshadows growing up, and it still is, okay? It still is. So do not get me wrong. Okay. Oh, these ones right here, they look like they have a lot of use. They got a little bit battered and bruised because she got dropped, but there is a pretty decent amount of use in this one. You can tell by the imprint being gone. But my most favorite shade in this palette has to be this beach ball shade right there. It is so gorgeous. I love her. So we're going to swatch her. We're gonna make a little mark right here. She is gorgeous. I'm super excited to just have an armful of swatches. It's like one of my most favorite things in the world is being covered in swatches. Next, we have the Shadow Sculpt palette here from Unearthly. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. This is such a fun palette. If you know anything about me, you know that I love swampy color stories. Like Shreky vibes is just, it's where it's at for me. Like Bog Witch is more specific, you know, like, so there's a good amount of those in this pile here. But I really enjoy that Phalite shade. It is not one that I've really used much, but it is my most favorite shade, just because I didn't know how to make this shade work with all these like more greener shades, because it was a little bit more like cotton candy. That's grammar. That's English. It looks like that. It's like really like blue and pink. I don't know if it's coming off as it is like in person on camera, but I didn't know how to make it work with the greens in there, but those two are already super gorgeous together. Next, we have another little battered and bruised palette, and that is the Bonfire one from Matrix. I don't know how she got as battered as she is, but she's gone through it. Okay, she's gone through, but she is that bitch. She is stunning. Okay, I really like that kindling one right there, but it's this one. It is this one right here. It is Embers. It is like the most silkiest, smoothest shimmer you've ever seen in your life. Like, look at that. That's disgusting. Oh my god, that's disgusting. And it's like duochromy too. Like, oh my god. Yeah, that shade is sickening and I love it. Next, we have the Wilderness palette. You guys already know that this one was going to be in here, along with the Harvest of Souls, if you've been here. But this is the inside of this palette. This is, again, this is that palette. It's been that palette. She's been that girl. She is that girl. Okay? She is who she thinks she is. The shade out of this one that is my most favorite is Ray, though. Like, she's a stunner. But this is like that palette. Okay? This is what every other palette aspires to be, you know? Next I have this Nomad Pacific Northwest palette. This has become my most favorite palette from them. I'm not happy with them at the moment due to them being in a really, really homophobic, transphobic brand's comments. So I don't have the most happiest of feelings, but this is like such a stunning palette. The outside is amazing and this inside is just absolutely stunning. Like, this is a freaking color story. Okay, like this is everything and more. Okay. The Ecotopia one is really speaking to me though, and that Sunbreak though, they're stunning. But I do really think that Sunbreak one is my most favorite shade out of this palette. So let's swatch her. Like I said, Shrek vibes. The Shrek color pop, it was obviously going to be here. I freaking love and adore this palette. This is like one of my most top favorite palettes. Like, I love her to death. This is the color story. Helps if I hold them the right way. It is such a pretty, oh my god, pretty palette. And I know this is going to surprise some people, but that one right there is my favorite shade. I love it. I loved applying it. I loved playing with it. It is Shrek Happens. Instead of Shit Happens, it's Shrek Happens. And I love it so incredibly much. This is such a fun color story though. Like, this is a lot of fun. I'm going to write all these names down and maybe we can make a look with this at some point because that's fun. Okay, next we have the Pinky Promise palette from Bella Beauty Bar X Deandra Nicole. I adore this lady. Deandra's like such a babe. She's such a sweetheart. She's just so cool. I love her. And I love Bella Beauty Bar, so like this was, and I love pink, so like this was an obvious. But the color story of this one, I haven't had it long. This palette, I haven't had it long, like I just said, but she's become an instant favorite. Like, I fucking love this palette. It is gorgeous. She's stunning. Like, she's everything and more. But the best shade and my most favorite shade, my goodness, I'm sorry, I'm blinding you, of this palette is this shade right here called Promise Me. I freaking love her so incredibly much. We have a Harvest of Souls here. You guys already knew this was going to be in here. I freaking love and adore this palette. This is like, she's that bitch. Okay, she is that bitch. She knows she's that bitch. She's gonna forever and always be that bitch. Point blank period. My favorite shade in this palette is, honestly, this is gonna, just because the Shrek Happens shade is really close to it, but it is that bright lime green poison shade. She is just, she's everything and more. Okay? She's everything and more. But this whole palette is just freaking stunning, you know? Like, I love it so incredibly much. One of my all-time favorites. Next, I have the Bazaar Botanicals palette from Devaroon Cosmetics. I freaking love this palette. I love this brand. It's just, like, look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Like, how can you not? She is who she thinks she is, and she is stunning, and she is everything and more, and I feel disgustingly nasty things towards her, and I hope she appreciates that. But my favorite shade in this palette is the Corpse Flower shade. She is disgustingly delicious, and I love it. Bladderwort is a really close second, and so is Bleeding Heart, but Corpse Flower, Jesus, she takes the cake. Next, I have Poison Garden. I love this palette. She's, again, everything and more. Like, look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She's beautiful. This one's a tie because I can't pick. I love them both, and it's just, yeah. So it's a tie between Wolfsbane and this matte blue right here called Delphinium. Something along those lines. So, yeah, I love it so much. And last but not least, we have the Botanical palette here, 42 Panner from Beauty Bay. I just used this for this look, so I will have this look, and I will have this look linked down below. I don't know what else Andine I was going to be Andine, but this one, there's only one shade. I love this palette, okay, I love it. But there's only one shade that makes me feel disgusting, dirtily things, and that is that shade right there called Waterfall. She is disgusting. She is beautiful. Are we surprised that they are all mostly shimmers? No, we're not. We already know who I am as a person. I'm a shimmer addict. I'm a shimmer lover. I eat, sleep, and breathe shimmers. I've stopped doing highlighter, so obviously my eyes are gonna have to be intense, and that's clear with all my favorite shades from this palette. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This was a lot of fun to do. I really enjoy it, the color story that like all of these are. Like, it's just absolutely insane and gorgeous, and I appreciate you guys so incredibly much for being here, for supporting me, for just being around. It means the world to me, so just thank you. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit, don't be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist. It's 2026, put your head in your ass and do freaking better, and remember, morals over makeup. I see a lot of y'all, and I know that this one might get some traction, so just don't be a piece of shit. You can do better. Okay. I'm gonna go swatch this because I haven't done that yet, and then I'm going to edit this and get this up for y'all. So just, again, thank you guys so incredibly much for supporting me. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.